Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will give you instructions on how to use our Instagram phone fan bot, Qnibot real phone version, to automate and manage thousands of Instagram accounts on real device. We will run 4 features, including Insert Newsfeed, View Stories, View Reels, and Follow by users. First of all, please refer to the video Instagram fan bot auto increase Instagram followers in bulk with multiple real phones from the second 20 to the minute 18 to see the tutorial on how to buy, download, then install the software, as well as set up our basic setting sessions. I finished all basic settings. Now I will instruct you to run the following features: Insert Newsfeed, View Stories, View Reels, and Follow by users. Before running any feature, remember to choose the accounts you want to use by ticking on the accounts. For example, I tick on the account manually like this. Or you can highlight the accounts you want to use. Right-click, click on Select, and choose Select or Highlight it. Or you can tick on this box to choose all accounts here. Start with Insert Newsfeed. Tick on Insert Newsfeed in Action section, then you click on this icon. You will see Insert Newsfeed dialog box. At Total Time section, you enter the total range of time in seconds you want the bot to Insert Newsfeed. For example, if you set 10 to 30 here, with each imported Instagram account, the bot will interact with the newsfeed in 10 to 30 seconds randomly. Next, if you want the bot to like post on the newsfeed, you tick on Like, then put the number of posts that you want to like for each Instagram account. For example, if I put 2 to 5 here, the bot will use each Instagram account to randomly like 2 to 5 posts on the newsfeed. If you do not want to like post on Newsfeed, you do not tick on this like section. Next, in case you want our bot to comment on Newsfeed posts, you need to tick on Comment. Next, you put the number of posts that you want to comment with each imported Instagram account. For example, if I put 1 to 3 here, with each imported Instagram account, the bot will comment on 1 to 3 posts randomly. Next, you enter the content you want to comment into this comment content box. Each content is on one line. There are 2 options here. First is content is only one line, and the second is the content has multiple lines. In case you want to comment with one line for each content, you choose the content is only one line at Option section. Then you enter the comment content here. Each content is on one line. For example, these are the content that I want to comment. Each content is on one line, you see. In case you want to comment with many lines of content, you choose the content has multiple lines at Option section. Then you use a vertical bar to separate the content. For example, if I import the comment content like this, the bot will comment with 3 contents. This is the first content, this is the second content, and this is the third content. Moreover, you can use spin tab format to enter content here. For example, if I import content like this, the bot will comment, "We like it, we love it, you are so charming, and you are so beautiful." In this case, you do not need to select any options and option session here. After setting up these sessions, you click Add. Next, you can click on Start button here to run the software. However, in this video, I will instruct you to set up the other features and then run 4 features at the same time. Going on to the next feature, View Stories. You click on View Story in Action session, then you click on this icon. The View Story dialog box will appear. Similarly to Integrate Newsfeed dialog box, you set up the sessions here, including total time, like, and comment. At total time session, you enter the range of seconds you want the bot to view stories with each Instagram account. For example, if I put 15 to 30 here, the bot will randomly watch stories in 15 to 30 seconds with each Instagram account. Next, if you want to like the stories, you click on Like. Then you enter the number of stories you want to like for each Instagram account. For example, if you put 1 to 3 here, the bot will randomly like 1 to 3 stories with each Instagram account. In case you do not want to like stories, you do not click on Like. Next, if you want the bot to comment on story, you click on Comment. Then you enter the number of stories you want to comment with each Instagram account here. For example, if you enter 3 to 5 here, the bots will comment on 3 to 5 stories with each Instagram account. Next, you enter the content of comment into this comment content box. Each content is on a separate line. If you want to comment with one line content, you select the content is only one line at option session. Then you enter the comment content here. Each content is on one line. For example, these are the content that I want to comment. Each content is on one line. In case you want to comment with multiple lines content, you choose the content has multiple lines at option session. Then you use a vertical bar to separate the content. A vertical bar like this to separate the content you want. This is the first content, the second content, and the third one. Moreover, you can enter content with spin tag format. For instance, if you enter the spin tag format like this, the bot will comment with 3 content. You are so charming, you are so beautiful, and you are so nice. After setting up these sessions, you click Add. Coming to the third feature, View Reels. Click on View Reels in Action box. Then click on this icon. The View Reels dialog box will appear. Similarly to View Story dialog box, you set up total time, like, and comment session here. At total time session, you enter the range of time you want the bot to watch Reels with each Instagram account. For example, if you put 30 to 60 here, with each Instagram account, the bots will randomly view Reels in 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, if you want to like Reels, you click on Like. Then you enter the number of Reels you want to like here. For example, if I put 3 to 4 here, with each Instagram account, the bot will randomly like 3 to 4 Reels. If you do not want to like Reels, you do not click on Like. Next, if you want to comment on Reels, you click on Comment. Then you enter the number of Reels you want to comment here. For example, I enter 3. For example, if you put 1 to 3 here, the bots will randomly comment on 1 to 3 Reels. Next, You enter the comment content into this comment content box. In case you select the content is only one line at option section, the bots will comment with one line content. You enter the content comment here. For example, these are the content that I want to comment. Each content is on one line. If you want to comment with multiple lines, you select the content has multiple lines at option section. Then you use a vertical bar to separate contents here. For example, I use a vertical bar like this. The bots will comment with two content. This is the first one and this is the second one. Furthermore, you can use bin tag format here. For example, if you enter the bin tag format like this, the bots will comment with four content, including I like it, I love it, I'm a big fan of it, and I'm so fond of it. In case you use bin tag format here, you do not need to choose any choice here at option section. After setting up these sections, you click Add. Finally, I instruct you to set up Follow by User feature. Click on Follow by Users at Action section. Then click on this icon. You will see Follow User dialog box. At Follow Count section, you enter the number of users you want to follow with each Instagram account. For example, I enter 5 to 7 here. The bots will follow 5 to 7 users randomly with each Instagram account. Next, you enter the usernames of Instagram profile you want to follow into this list username box. Each username is on one line. For example, this is the profile that I want to follow. I will copy this user. Then paste it into this username box. Similarly, you enter other users. Each user is on one line like this. When you run Follow by Users feature with this setting, the bots will randomly use each chosen Instagram account to follow 5 to 7 users you imported here. Finally, you click Add. After that, you click on Start button here to run the software. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to use our Instagram phone fan bot, Qnibot Blue phone version to interact newsfeed, view stories, view reels, and follow by users automatically. You can visit our website qnibot.com to see other useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.